Today we're making a great home decor project using a 3D printer, a ghost-style wall clock. You'll see how ordinary plastic parts can turn into a stylish design piece. You're going to love the final result. Let's get started. I designed the clock in Blender. Since my printer's build plate isn't very large, I had to print the clock in multiple parts and assemble them later. Here are all the parts, freshly printed. While assembling the parts, I used a strong adhesive. You need to be very careful here. I almost misaligned the pieces and ruined everything. Luckily, I fixed it before the glue set. To remove the plastic seams, I used some filler and a lot of sanding. This part takes patience, but it's absolutely worth it for a smooth surface. After the primer dried, I applied a matte black paint. At this stage, the clock starts to lose its plastic look and gains a more metallic feel. Now it's time to 3D print the numbers. I quickly install the pieces into their slots on the clock. And here's the final result. I think it turned out great, and all that sanding was worth it. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching.